I think by just seeing this picture alone, you guys would have heard about the story of the trophy wife. Isis is a content creator, a YouTuber, a popular YouTuber that helps women, to become trophy wives to their husbands. That helps women, advises women about marriage, relationships, and all that. And she's doing absolutely well. If you're on her platform, you will love her, especially on YouTube. She's doing very well. She has always, her husband said, a trophy husband, they call him. She loved him so much. Not until just recently. I just did a video. I just did a video. I'm just doing the video now just because I just watched what happened. I saw it going viral and I just saw, oh, what happened? Okay, now let me tell you what happened to her. She's a single mom of two already. She now met this guy. So when she met this her present husband now, she met him on a chatting platform. You know this chatting platform now be Tinder, like be what thing they call them. Abroad people they like to do meet people online and all that. They just chatted for 1 week. Now so she entered the guy house, begin to live with the guy. According to her, now what did she not even tell us before? Now this guy don't they? How I take all that in? He don't they do and forceful SES since when she and this guy just meet, but she just kept quiet. He will beg her sorry, she will just accept. Until recently, she dealt with that guy, come born two daughters. The first one are 4 years, and then the second one are 2 years old girl. So one day like that, she just they try change diaper for her daughter of 2 years old. So when she want change the girl diaper, she come notice to say red water. Now that's what they call e dey for inside there. She come dey surprised. And why this thing come dey abi e get another way dey happen to the child? Why e go be say Lord dey pray for this thing? Now she come check inside her this thing have everywhere red. She shocked. She come ask her what happened. Already for her mind she say God make e no be wetin I dey think of, because she sef she don pass through this kind of thing when she dey younger. Lo and behold, she come see somebody dey touch her. She come ask who dey touch her. The small baby 2 years no fit talk. Later the girl come say na her daddy na him dey touch her. She come shock. Come call the bigger one wey dey 4 years. Come check am too. Women, the girl too actively the man don dey knack am already. Wetin happen? She too na our daddy. At that instance like this, e just be like somebody wey be say make this world just end for her. But she no know wetin she go do. Now she applied wisdom. Wetin she do be say she just keep quiet, because e get as she go take overreact, something else go happen. Now before she come begin go police, go hospital and all that. So now that thing now come make she and her husband no dey again. The case now dey police hand. Now why am I saying this? I am saying this because I've always said this here on this my Facebook channel. I've always said it. A lot of women don't even care about their children. I see the way women they leave their children around, and they be like, wow. No be the same 9 months where I carry pikin, still go for labor room, go cry waiting they associated with the team. Now this my fellow woman still go through. Can't they leave your own child like that? You understand? I be like, no. These things will not stop happening. You see this kind of thing that happened to this trophy wife, it won't stop happening. A lot of children when you see now, they go through those things. You allow your children with everybody, especially your daughters, them either for this person leg, for this person. That is, you allow your daughters, your even sons self. Some people they're very comfortable leaving their sons with people. I say I no fit. I be they work. I get only one son. Then I get belly for the second son. The first day when I go drop my child for crash, I cry that day. In fact, that from that minute now I know say this work no go get ahead, because see, it took a lot of decisions for me to decide, say, okay, I want begin bring forth children. I know they born pikin because of say people they born pikin, or because I suppose born, I don't go to born. No. I decided say if I want born pikin, I want give her my time, my all and all that. And so the day I decided to tender my resignation, even my manager shocked, like, are you serious? But I'm doing it for a great cause. I wasn't worried about what anybody would say. Are you taking the right decision for me? I know why. A lot of people that know me will be like, listen, you always, your children. If I deal with you, even if I come out, go enjoy myself with friends, 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, I know they'll be like, my children, but just leave these children now. I'm so used to it. Nobody don't SA me when I did small. Nobody. Even though, then at the time I say my Sunday school teachers, and they try and one kind. But the kind of person who I did, I've always been like this from childhood. So you can't even try with me, because I'll tell my father, that is it. I've always known this thing, and I know I will never forgive myself if it happens to my children. And so I decided to just take it as a point of duty to stay in their life and be doing whatever I'm doing, anything convenient I can do to make my own 2K. You get? That is my own, choice. It might not be your own choice. As some mothers, I understand that things they're very difficult out there and all that. But please always make sure you have time for your children. Create time for them. Speak to them. Some people go to work and come back in the night. You understand? There's no competent hand to be with the child. If they are competent hands, fine. But if children they didn't do them the undoable. Because me like this, I don't feel forgive myself if it happen to my child. So I am their friend. Like tell me, I they check my daughter like say tomorrow, no, and they ask them questions. So me and them don't create that so much bond that even if you go unto them, they go always tell me. So they know the kind of mother we then get. And you say when they want to do that thing, you know the kind of woman when I be. You fit face me. If you do that thing, it's either I buy or you go buy. That is it. Even for schools, when I dey keep my children, by the time I go to change school for them, I dey let the children know say see, or I dey let the head teachers know say see, you see my kids, now my priority. If anything happens, you will not like me. I dey put am for you, I drop am for you down. When I wan get any domestic help, I dey be like, see, if anything happen to this child, I no go leave you. See, if you know say you no go fit do this work, you go take them for granted. No do, they go. Because I go sting you. Imagine the kind of trauma now this man they go through. And the thing wey vex me is when I went to the comment section of that video I watched, Trophy wife's confession about why she and husband no dey. So many women there talk say their papa do the same thing to them. Their papa dey knack them. Some of them say na their mama boyfriend na him dey knack them. Some of them even told their mothers, but their mother no fit do anything. You can imagine that. All because she dey fear to lose her own gola. You can imagine. Oh God, these kind of things they break me.